How to get CapCut PRO for free, or whether it's possible to get for free or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Once you make sure, open up your Play Store, tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar. Now type CapCut and click on search. Now tap on CapCut Video Editor. Now if you haven't installed this application, simply click on install. If you have already installed, make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, click on open. Now at the top right section, you will find an option for Pro. Simply tap on the option. Now on this page, you can find different subscriptions plan, but you cannot find any option for free trials. So it's not possible to get CapCut Pro for free. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.